Hi there! This video will demonstrate how to set up company settings in iParaV. Click on Settings on the right hand corner of your screen and select Company Settings. The mandatory fields are shown by the yellow boxes. Under the General tab, select a starting year. This may be either the financial or calendar year. Please enter email addresses for your administrator, contact, sales and support details. These emails may be used by external and internal users to contact you. The same applies for the support phone number and the support fax number. It is only necessary to fill in the external accountant email if your accountant does not have a user account in your iParaV account. Once entered, they will be invited to provide support to you within iParaV. If they are already within the iParaV system, you will have the option of requesting for their support. The theme allows you to change the color scheme of your user interface. Simply select a theme, click Update, and click on a page to test it. You may also choose the default language. When your users log in, they will view the website in this default language. However, they may change the language at any time in the drop-down list on the top right-hand corner. If you are subscribed to a Human Resource Plus plan, you will have the option for multiple or single level approval. Click Update to create these settings. In the Finance tab, you may choose either the cash or accrual method as your accounting basis. Choose a currency. This will be the currency your company will operate in. Insert a base exchange rate. If this company's currency is the same as the application account's base currency, the base exchange rate will be 1. If, at the reporting time, you choose the US dollar and the exchange rate from the US dollar to Australian dollar is 0.95, you can input that value here. We now allow multiple accounts receivable and accounts payable and a POS payment account. Select a default sales type item and a default purchase item type. When you are creating a new sales or purchase item in a financial transaction, this determines the default item type. Please select the main sales tax, corporate income tax, and payroll withholding tax, as well as a tax for no business number quoted. Once you have created these settings, click Update. You may come back at any time and change these settings. In the Human Resource tab, please note that the settings marked with asterisks indicate that they cannot be easily changed once set. Select your leave year type. This will determine whether your leave calculations will be based on the financial year or the calendar year. If you select Yes for Allow First Year Annual Leave, your employees will be able to take an annual leave in their first working year. The rollover type will determine how the unused leave from one year will be rolled over to the next year, by days or percentage. The rollover amount determines the days or percentage set by the rollover type. Set the internal rate multiplier. This multiplier will be used to calculate how much an employee costs your company based on his hourly salary multiplied by this value. The external rate multiplier will be used to calculate how much you will charge your clients when you provide your services to external companies by multiplying the employee's hourly rate with this value. If a payroll period spans over 2 financial years, then the Split on Financial Year option allows you to restrict payroll boundaries to 1 financial year. If you want to continue default payments, select No. Please specify the wage withholding tax and study withholding tax categories. Wage payment account is the account in which you will make payments. You can choose the method of payment under wage payment method. The super payment account is the account in which you will make superannuation payments. You may select a payment method under super payment method. Once you have filled in all the mandatory fields, click Update. Under Timesheet, Select a timesheet period. The timesheet period indicates how often you will submit your timesheet for approval. Please set the work hours per week and work days per week according to your company's policy, but please also note your country or state's regulations. Lastly, select whether you may link leave to this timesheet period. Once you are finished, click Update. If you have any further questions, please refer to the help icons on the top of each section. Thank you for watching this video.